Yeah, young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's Junkie Fan, and we're back with another video. I said we're back with another video. Alright, bro. So today we're gonna be doing
another mukbang.
Right. But this time, me and Chris are cool now, I guess. So, yeah, he's in the video with us.
Ew,
He's
this all nasty.
Dude, dirty.
Right,
so
just say you wanted
it.
No, this one is all fat.
Okay, chill. Wait.
You
So
like
we got Domino's.
No, this one nasty.
We got Domino's. I got pepperoni and bacon. Chris got cheese. Troy getting one of the slices.
Cause I don't want pizza right now.
You had Pizza Hut? But
Yeah, I had pizza earlier.
okay, so
Alright, let's start eating and talk about stuff. No, let's talk about like why and how y'all got friends together.
yeah.
And like what happened yesterday. Andre.
Yesterday. Yeah, the carnival.
Gabba gabba gabba.
It's like, no, I'm playing.
Gabba gabba
I
gabba.
said the carnival. It wasn't even at the carnival.
I said the movies.
Maybe not.
Yo,
No, I
Gabba
said the
gabba.
carnival.
Yo, gabba.
Troy,
gabba.
shut up. It's all his business.
Nobody even know Andre like that. Like who?
What?
I'm talking about like they do know Andre, but like most of the other people don't really know Andre like that, except for like our friends.
Alright.
Andre,
So we should
Alright,
start
3.
eating now, cause.
my piece is up.
Alright, boom.
Oh yeah, my fault. We got this one too.
Like the
It's
brownie.
like the marble joint. It's like the brownie with the cookie inside. Oh, dang. Oh yeah.
You already took a
We
little
got
ass
Bev
bite.
too. I got my Bev.
Look at that little button too.
Chris got his Bev.
My bad too.
So you know what you should have done? Grab that marker and just put your name at
I
the
don't even know if I really want any.
What?
No. That's something for weird. Wait, is this yours?
I don't
No, that's yours right there, right? I don't remember which one is mine. Alright.
No, that one's yours, man. Well, it doesn't really matter
I
since
know.
you're having no.
Okay.
Stop coming in my mama's
So-
house, robbery.
The heck?
Go on
I
up here.
barely like pepperoni. I was
You
good.
just should have
I
just
my pizza is better.
you should have just said sausage if you didn't want pepperoni.
Sausage. Sausage is
Bacon.
nasty, bro.
Bacon.
It is bacon.
No, I said sausage.
Only bacon.
Hey. What the shit? But so we should talk about how me and Chris got cool. So like,
It's all because of Troy.
no, because Troy kept saying,
Okay.
bro, just be friends with Chris again, because it'd be kind of boring.
Cause it'd be mad boring when we playing basketball. It's only me, Amir, and Andre. We mad, but we don't be doing anything. It'd be mad boring.
Yup.
Oh yeah, so he kept saying me and Chris were going. He kept saying be friends with Chris again. I kept saying like, oh, I don't know, bro. It was like he kind of was acting weird. And then,
I got over it. I didn't even care.
and then what's it called? Troy, he told me like this one day, like a couple weeks ago. He said
This
that
was 2 weeks ago.
Mhm.
he said that what's it called? Chris wanted to come to Honor Ridge, and I was like, all right. And I went home. I think I went somewhere. I came back
But I'm
home.
full.
They were going to the courts. Troy told me. He said, come to the courts. I was like, who there? He said Chris there, and these other people. So I was like, all right. And I started walking there. We was playing basketball. It was like weird. Like Chris was acting kind of weird. Like he was acting weird
Chris, can you pass me the
when we was playing
fuse?
basketball. But like
Fusion.
he wasn't on my team either.
Fusion battle.
So we cooked them though, right?
Yeah, we was.
Yeah.
Listen to
bro,
this.
we was
My
good.
team was doo-doo.
Bro, I literally did it backwards.
Bro, the kid got ball hogging. I barely got the ball the whole
The
game.
kid who was ball hogging missed every 3. He didn't make a shot, I don't think.
Every time I got the ball, I couldn't do nothing with the ball because the little kid was like,
Chris,
give me the ball, give me the ball, give me the ball. And I was like, all right.
Oh,
I
yeah.
just keep worrying.
So we was playing basketball.
See,
played
we not
like a-
cheating. We not
And
cheating.
then
So.
that's when, like after another game, Troy was like, he was like, "You want to be friends with Chris again?" I was like, "I don't care. All right." And then he started talking to Chris, and I was like, "Chris, we." No, I had asked my one friend. I was like, "Should I be friends with him?" He was like, "Yeah, like the thing that happened that was a while ago. You might as well be friends with him." I was like, "All right." So Troy was talking to him. Ew. Troy was talking to him, and then and then
That guy drinks.
I started talking to him.
Me.
I started talking to him. I was like, "You want to be friends again?" And he was like, "Yeah." And we friends. And we started playing basketball again.
Was that about what happened yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, not.
This is a carnival.
Carnival.
I keep on saying carnival. I mean the movies. The movie don't.
Stuff could have been down under the park.
Andre.
Why would you say that? You didn't have to say the
Yeah,
name.
I know too. I don't remember.
Oh, that one was funny, bro. Especially at the end, bro. That was all.
Alright. Oh yeah.
The but y'all can't be telling Andre's business like that. You really don't want nobody to know
The
that.
movie that was
It's not
doo-doo.
like I said what he did.
It was trash, but it was
We didn't even
fun at
watch
the same
it.
time.
I think the people that are gonna watch the video
That one was tough. I left
are gonna know
them.
it's obvious.
I left them.
He
and went
literally
to
left us
shop.
to go to ShopRite.
Yeah, he didn't even say that. He just
Ow.
ran.
No, because I thought we were all going to
What's his
shop.
name
Like,
again?
yeah, I said no.
Kenny?
No, the dude who was looking at me. Remember?
Jason.
Remember? Because Don
Jason.
him. No, because remember when
Jason.
Right? He broke my bag because I did this, right? I went like this because I pretend I smacked her, and then Jason and Judah. He came out of nowhere. Judah grabbed me, and then the other dude was hooking me. Judah let me go. I started running, and then I fell.
I can't eat that. That's like the pizza.
But I'm
Yeah,
mad
I'm saving
full
that for
from
later.
This one snap.
So what?
I don't even
Oh,
like
yeah.
that one.
So Kenny and Nate, they came back from ShopRite, and they got caught punching stuff or something like that, right? No, 'cause what did they say?
Yeah, they just said that. They're stealing, I think.
Oh.
I think I want to eat one more piece.
Bro,
After
just
that,
looking at that pizza, bro, that's all nasty. But I just want to throw up, bro. That's just so nasty.
the big one.
Ew, why the cheese? Look at my
Ew.
cheese.
Bro, I have to go to the dumpster, bro. I'm about to throw that away.
Somebody start hooping.
So now we are. Your ass on so now that's over.
I'm gonna do this challenge. Like
Which
when we
one?
get like at least to like 3,000 subscribers. Like you know how
What challenge?
like you know how like Phase Running them, you do like challenges for like money.
We can do it now, but not dumb money. Like we could just do like $10.
$10.
No, like 15. Everybody put in 5.
Well, oh,
No, actually $20 because everybody put in 5. Me, you, me, Andre put in 5.
that means if I do the challenge, I gotta wear all of them because I need a new phone.
Ah. Oh yeah, tell them what happened to your phone.
Wait, Chris, what's the butt pasta?
Chris is dumb, bro.
Alright, listen. At first, I thought this said butt pasta.
Back
But,
it
like,
up.
Look, I thought it said butt pasta. No, because when I first looked at it, I was like, butt pasta.
Drew, what you singing?
Oh, it's the one now. Black man, don't she?
I'm tired, yo.
Troy.
No. He farted.
Bro, he just clapped cheeks. Ew, is that a roach?
What?
Is that something dead?
No.
So no, play, I'll
It's a
play.
bird.
Bro,
It's a bird. That's a roach. I don't know.
Troy.
Hmm?
So look. I don't know.
wait, did y'all do anything at the movie?
No, it was boring.
That one was tough.
I didn't.
No, me and Troy and Andre, that one was lit for us.
You should have just came.
I should have went with y'all.
With us.
Oh.
To shop right. That one was funny.
I would have got in trouble on purpose.
Nah, bro. Look at what she took my do-rag from mad long.
No, when I said when you said like she like pulled it off,
Yeah,
I thought you meant like she ripped it.
Mm-hmm.
But you said like she just.
But my stomach hurt now. Who touched it?
Yo. Troy, bro, my stomach. I barely ate two. Well, I didn't even eat two. I only ate one. And 1/4. 1/4.
Hmm?
1/4? You don't know what that is?
No!
I had 130.
Chris, you don't even make any sense.
You
You
had
had
No, listen, because I had 3.
That's not
it's
one.
not 1/3, stupid.
Bro, this
yo.
man is retarded. Chris, do we need to take you to the hospital?
Yes.
Should I tell my mom to take him to the hospital? He said I had 1/3 if he had 3. What?
Alright, if I ate 3 pizzas, that would be 1,
Avizu.
4.
Yeah, boy. You look sick now. Sick,
Oh,
boy.
yeah.
I just changed the light.
Troy, aren't you getting off? What if a rapper just coming up your wall?
No, we should do. Can you rap like you know that challenge?
Oh yeah, if
We
you
should
rap,
do
you
that.
lose. Like if you rap,
No, not if you rap, you lose. Like,
if you rap, you get slapped.
No.
I'm talking about like. So you gotta
rap like a certain rapper.
you gotta put a bunch of names in a hat, like certain rappers in a hat. And you gotta like, if you don't know their flow, you just have to sing a couple of their lyrics, or you have to rap like them on their beat. It would be tough. That's if we get lit. It depends. It should be me, you, Andre, and Chris. Like, we should add Becca in there. Maybe like one more person. So it's like 5.
Oh, damn. That's tough. Troy, just explain to everyone. Just explain to everyone. Why do you always say tough to everything? Like you be like, that's all tough.
Cause I say tough a lot. All right, Pete. If you watching this video, I'll put you on that word. Alright.
Pretty sure everyone would.
No, cause Pete doesn't say that until I started saying that. Now he says that all the time.
Everybody like
And
subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
And we'll
Yeah.
and we closing video.
Ah.
Yeah, young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.